Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. We are unboxing this new The Everything Lip Contour Vault from Revolution. This set retails for £25. It went down on Boots for 15. Thank you Alex for putting that in the group chat because I wouldn't have seen it otherwise. And then I had like £20 in points, well maybe more than that on Boots. So guess who bought this on Boots with their points and got this for free? Me. I didn't spend a penny, which I'm happy for because I actually own 3 of the lip kits in here. So 3 of them I'm actually just going to keep for giveaways, and then there's 2 new ones in here. So what I'm going to do is get my ones out, swatch them for you, and then you can decide if this is the kit for you, which I do like these contour kits, don't get me wrong. The lip liners are so creamy, and if you like a matte liquid lip, go for these. These are quite comfortable. Not as comfortable as the matte bombs from Revolution, but they're actually alright. So firstly, you pull the sleeve off, and then you're greeted with a box that you just open. And then there's your lip kits. Ain't that crazy? I love that. So you get the shades Stunner, Divine, which I love, Queen, which is another favourite, Iconic, which is new, and Hero, which is new. So I'm going to get my 3 out and then I'll put these to the side. That was fun, but I just found my ones, put them in here. So the ones that are fresh are over here. They're going to be either gifts or in a future giveaway. But yeah, these are mine. So let's start swatching. I'm going to start with the first one, which is called Stunner. This is what Stunner looks like on the lips. It's definitely not my kind of shade. This is what it looks like on my hand, just in case my lips are kind of changing the colour of it. But the packaging for these liquid lipsticks, I've done a full video on these already. They're very nice and nude, like very bougie looking to me. They're very nice. The liner is so creamy and they smell gorgeous. So yeah, this is the first one, Stunner. The next one we have is the shade Divine, which is definitely more me. My favourite one is Stiletto because it's even darker than this one, and these dry down so fast. And I don't have an issue with the pale ones going patchy, and you know how I've had that issue in the past. I don't have that issue with these whatsoever. But this one is Divine. It's absolutely gorgeous. True brown for anyone that wants a true brown. If you want darker, go for Stiletto. This shade is really nice. This is like a peachier toned brown. I love it. It's gorgeous. These dry down so quickly and you can play with them. Like, you know, some liquid lipsticks, those XX ones, I felt like I couldn't play with them. I had to figure out the formula. You can play with these, and when you go like that, they dry down, they don't go patchy or anything. These are gorgeous. The next shade is one of my favourites. This is Queen. This one and Brunch, another one that I own, is so nice to go in the centre of like brown lip liners. Brunch is my proper favourite, but this is a nice one to go in the centre. This is what it looks like on my hand. They are gorgeous colours already, aren't they? You get a really nice array. You've got like a really true nude, you've got a brown, you've got pink, then you've got some bright pinks coming up. Okay, this shade, not my kind of shade. If you like your pale pinks, you're going to love this shade. It's gone on nice. It's not gone on patchy either. It dries down really nicely, but it's not a favourite. So let's put her away and play with one of the ones I'm really excited for. This is Iconic. I'm sorry, but these lip kits from Revolution are just so nice. Ooh, it's gone a little bit patchy up here, but that's where I've smeared my lips. One more layer, it would be fine. But yeah, these lip kits are lovely from Rev. Like, it's one of my favourites. I used to have all of their old ones too, but these top them. The formula, the lip liners, everything. Oh my god, look how bright that pink is. Okay, it's not my kind of shade, but I'm excited to put this on my lips. This shade is very bright. My lips are starting to hurt now, but considering this is the 4th lip kit I've put on and taken off free, it's actually doing not too bad. If you want that bright pink, this is the lip kit to go for. It is gorgeous, and even though I'm not going to reach for this colour as often, it's nice that I have it in my collection, and also nice because I have all the contour kits. I love these lip contour kits from Revolution. I don't know how many times I can say it. I'm glad that I got to try these because they are just some of the best formulas of liquid lipsticks. And you know, I'm not a liquid lipstick girl, but I love these. Now this one, Hero, I'm really hoping this is like a bit of a darker pink. Yep, that looks like a pink I would reach for. So let's slap this on my lips. Okay, this is such a wearable pink for me. I love this colour. I love it so much more than the last one, Iconic. Hero, ow, is definitely the hero for me. I've lost one on the floor and I don't know where the hell it went, but this collection is really nice. It'll make a lovely gift for someone if they really like their liquid lipsticks. It'll also make a gift for yourself, like £15 when it's on offer in Boots, or I believe when they do their gifts they do 3 for 2. It's obviously a good collection, and these liquid lipsticks are actually really nice. Like, the formula is easy to get on with, and once you dry down, like, they're not too tugging on your lips. I've worn these plenty of times. They're really good going out liquid lipstick as well. So I do highly recommend this. It's something that I was so excited for as soon as I saw Boots had it on offer. If you prefer liquid lipstick, just go for this. This is the collection for you. So I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.